Welcome back. I know it's been a minute since we've done a video, but I'm gonna give you guys a rundown on what we're gonna try to get done today and what we've got done in the past. So here goes. So today we're gonna try to get a door mounted on this thing. Painted this about a week ago. Just some cheap Rust-Oleum. Got the back glass put in, trim put on. Not real happy about the trim. This got damaged during shipping, so have to get us a new piece there. Yep, she's coming along. That's what we're gonna try to get done today. Jimmy's been over here working. Hopefully all goes well with this door. I got the other door painted out here. Trying to let it cure. Same deal on this door, just cheap black Rust-Oleum. Tailgate for Jimmy's project. Well guys, while we're fighting this door, I'm gonna let you watch some of these old clips I've put together. I've been filming, I just haven't had time to put it in a video. So I'm gonna put all those little clips that I've put together over the last few months in this short segment. You can watch that and I'll pick back up whenever we got the door on it. What do you think, Jimmy?
Yep.
Sounds like a plan. Hope you guys enjoy. Yep, as you can see, we got the mock-up motor set in here. Jimmy's messed around and got the spacing right. And he also made some spacers, I'll show those. But yeah, this is where it's at. Got the radiator mounted underneath. We still have to get some sheet metal to cover all this, but that's where we're at on it. Here's the spacers.
They're not pretty, but they'll work.
They will work. Yeah, it's a tight fit. Yeah, we got coilovers to go right here, but for now, we just got some mock-ups in there. We did go around adding gussets. In most places of this car, we threw gussets on it. We got here, the other side. Yep. But yeah, that's where we're at with it. Definitely been keeping us busy, but I think it's about to start flying together now that we got that back half done. Trying to get this old sill off this glass. Nasty stuff, but this is the update on the car. Jimmy's been hard at it back here. Trying to put some sheet metal in this thing.
Got all done.
How's it going, Jimmy?
Let's go. I got this one done. We got to cut a hole for the fuel cell eventually. Got the piece for right here. Pull the shocks go through it. Then we're gonna make the back firewall.
What happened, Jimmy? I got the sharp drill bit. Looking pretty sharp back here.
Looking better.
Looking good. Got a baby.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and we got us a new air compressor.
It makes life a lot easier.
It does make life easier. Look at this bad boy. Facebook Marketplace. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know none of it's in order, just some stuff that I've had backed up on my phone. I haven't gotten around to making a video, so I just threw it all on this one. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have ever tried to align one of these doors, but it is a job, for sure. Yeah.
But the body lines
They looking better?
look a lot better. I just gotta loosen that top hinge and kind of pull it out just a pinch. I ain't gonna partner up on a cutting torch.
Fuck no, I don't need a cutting torch. Plasma cutter would be all right. I don't know. What do you want a cutting torch for, Grandpa?
Cut, maybe.
Looks like Jimmy here's about to have some fun.
Yeah, I want to watch a video on this. And we don't have window stoppers.
Can we put it in without them, or we need them?
We can put it in without them, we can add them later if we need to.
Sounds good to me. So FedEx just came. What could it be, Mickey? What could it be?
I don't know, we'll find out.
Open it on camera.
What's it parts? Great. Dented box.
Box is all beat to hell, ain't it?
Something from plastic. Hey.
Damn, that was fast.
That was fast, yeah.
I just ordered it last night? Friday night.
Friday night, yeah.
Friday night. Today is Saturday. Damn.
No, we ordered it Thursday night.
Thursday?
Yeah, I worked Thursday night. Yeah. Now we're just waiting on the clip to come in.
That's the rod to unlock the door, right?
Open the door.
Open the door. That's what I meant.
Yeah. Same difference.
So anytime something's kind of janky and it's about to break, Jimmy wants me to do it so he don't get blamed for jacking it up. So got a screw here, it's kind of wallered out. Them guys know about wallered out. They already know. So we're gonna see if we can't jack it up. I think it went.
I think it is.
Nope.
It went till it stripped.
Yeah, it's stripped out, but it is tightened up.
If it's tight, it'll ride.
Check it out. Let me know what you think. Not gonna work?
It'll work.
Just wallered out.
Yep.
You like that?
Yeah.
You like that word, don't you?
Wallered.
Shoot, boy, Jimmy got her looking good, if you ask me. Looks good, Jimmy.
Thank you.
Looks good.
Semi-professional.
Semi-professional.
Far from it.
You doing professional things?
We're not doing professional things on this. We're learning as we go.
Amateur hour over here, boys.
Yep.
I'm gonna just look at it. Look at it. Amateur. Well, they wrapped it real good, didn't they?
Hey, I'm glad. Better than that trim.
Yep. Don't want no babies. Well, that's a little bitty piece of glass, huh?
Yeah.
Let the fun begin, huh, Jimmy?
Yeah, I think we messed up some more too.
Be alright. Be alright. Bucky, you like it? Like the race car? No, don't get in there, boy. You're gonna break stuff. Getting her lined up perfect.
Yeah. Close. Pretty close.
I like it. Looking pretty sharp, Jimmy.
Thank you. I have to call this one done.
Beautiful.